Alex Becker put out a tweet asking for quality Layer 1 projects. And the Twitter community replied back with a wave of responses saying that he needed to look into Kadena. Now, but what is Kadena? And is it even worth investing in? Well, to summarize, Kadena claims to be one of the most scalable, secure, and decentralized blockchain networks that is also environmentally friendly, solving what is called the trifecta that plagues crypto. But is it a good investment? Well, we did the research, and in this video, we give you the need-to-know information to make a wise investment decision. We review the founders, the utility, the price action, and price predictions. And finally, our opinion on whether it's a good investment or not. So let's start off with the team behind the project, the founders of Kadena. So who created Kadena? Well, in 2016, two individuals who met while working at JP Morgan, Stuart Popejoy and Will Martino, founded Kadena. Before founding Kadena, Stuart headed up JP Morgan's emerging blockchain group, where he spent 15 years building trading systems and exchange backbones for the financial industry. And Will was a lead engineer for JP Morgan's blockchain prototype after working as a digital science advisor for the SEC. The two teamed up and founded Kadena. Both came from solid technology and financial backgrounds, knew what the market needed, and sought to make a suitable blockchain to satisfy the gap. They also brought in the renowned Dr. Stuart Haber, the co-inventor of blockchain. This is the same guy who invented blockchain all the way back in 1991. Dr. Haber mainly authored Kadena's white paper to ensure the right solutions would be utilized to create the next generation in blockchain technology. Thus, all three founders came from a deep technical background, with Stuart and Will having links to the financial sector, and Dr. Haber being the grandfather of blockchain. Overall, the founders are well suited to create a winning project. Now we know who the founders and team are behind Kadena, let's look at the utility of Kadena. To solve scalability and security issues, Kadena uses a multi-chain structure to deliver both. This structure or mechanism allows Kadena to verify multiple transactions without compromising delivery, time, and speed. Now, Kadena also has an easy-to-use interface for its dashboard, making the development of dApps, decentralized applications, easier than others. It also uses a patented highly scalable programming language that allows easy integration of decentralized apps. Additionally, in a very genius move, Kadena uses smart contract language, Pact, which offers optimum functionality for blockchain transactions. With such advanced features, it's definitely above par with its competitors Ethereum and Bitcoin. Today, Kadena is the only scalable Layer 1 public network that uses the proof-of-work consensus mechanism, which obviously is the most secure model. And they didn't sacrifice scalability either by using its altering braided multi-chain mechanism. But now, let's talk briefly about Kadena's token, KDA. KDA is the direct competitor to Bitcoin and Ethereum and has many advantages over both of them. First, it's different from other cryptos as it allows no-cost transactions for its end users. This also helps remove barriers to the successful adaptation of decentralized apps. The improvements over Ethereum are the smart contracts and speed. Since Pact is readable by anyone, it allows easy detection of bugs automatically. Also, both beginner and advanced developers can learn this. Another advantage is the uncompromised security, using a POW mechanism. Lastly, it's also energy efficient, using its multi-chain network, something that is constantly negative of all other blockchain utilities. Also, the launch of Wrap KDA, or WKDA for short, boosted the project since the token operated on the Ethereum blockchain, allowing it to interact with all Ethereum virtual machine compatible DeFi protocols. Additionally, the project also addressed a significant barrier facing the broad use of dApps, the requirement for participants to pay cryptocurrency gas fees upon joining. Now, the creation of the world's first crypto gas station on Kadena's blockchain allows gas stations to pay users joining costs, which can then remove the friction of acquiring tokens in advance of sign-up. When Kadena launched the NFT capabilities, CoinMetro saw 730,000 KDA coins deposited within 20 minutes. At the same time, KDA relaunched its staking on the exchange, contributing even more. And finally, Kadena reported in 2021 that it had clocked up to 480,000 TPS on its hybrid blockchain platform, beating competitors. Now, the main risk for Kadena is exposure and gaining market share. Right now, Ethereum dominates the blockchain market. Kadena will need to aggressively gain users and market share for it to overtake Ethereum. KDA tokens can be bought on Binance, BitGet, Bybit, Gate.io, and Hotbit. And there are many other crypto exchanges where you can trade Kadena too, but always remember to do your own research before making any investments. And always keep coins and tokens off exchanges, given how quickly they can become insolvent. So, is Kadena a good investment? Well, we really like the founders and the team, and the utility solves all the main problems with current blockchains. So, yet to get to our answer, let's look at price action and projections to get a feel for how the market values this project and if we might turn a sizable profit. So let's go back to 2021, specifically to the second half of 2021. From September to November of 2021, the price of Kadena rose to $28.25, which was an all-time high. This was because Kadena introduced NFT capabilities to its network as the crypto bull run was in full swing. And at the start of 2021, it was just 15 cents. So it climbed from 15 cents to $28.25, or a 190 times return on investment. Also, that same year, Kadena launched its wrapped KDA, or WKDA for short, on the EU-licensed cryptocurrency exchange CoinMetro. However, towards the end of the year, KDA fell and settled at around $12.48. Then in 2022, KDA continued its downtrend. In January alone, it lost more than 50% of its value. February was slightly more positive, with KDA rebounding to a high of $10.21. However, this was short-lived. The coin closed at $4.57 on April 26, 2022, and has not managed to rise above the $5 mark. This poor performance has been matched by large parts of the crypto market in general after a series of collapses confirmed the bear market. As of November 1st, 2022, the coin was worth about $1.35, and in December, it stands at $1.05. The future price prediction. With Kadena hovering around $1, what is the outlook for possible price action, and is Kadena a good investment? Well, according to our analysis across multiple price projection tools, Kadena could recover to an average price of $8.64 by the end of 2023, a solid 8.5 times gain in 1 year. Then, by 2026, it could be at $19.42, or a 19.5 times return over a 3-year period. And by the end of 2030, it would be at $57.19, almost a 60-time return on investment over 7 years. Now, comparing that to the S&P index, which would only yield just under 2 times return on investment by the end of the decade. So we do have to say that these are calculated, forecasted price projections and can be pessimistic. If we use all-time high price and how quickly a bull market can increase the price of Kadena, which went from 34 cents on August 1st to almost $24 on November 12th, basically 70 times in a short span of 3.5 months. Now scaling that up to the price projection target, and we could see Kadena go from the $1 mark up to the $60 mark in just under 3 months, making this a highly discounted, price-sensitive opportunity with great upside. However, these are just estimates, so please do your own research and also never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. So, is Kadena a good investment? Well, as we said before, we really like the team. Solid technical background with strong financial sector exposure. Having the co-inventor of blockchain helping guide the project is worth investing in it alone. In addition, looking at the utility, Kadena looks to solve the main problems that are standing in the way of institutional adoption. Again, gaining market share is the biggest hurdle they face. The price action is really good given how high it was valued at the peak of the 2021 bull run. And with the massive drawdown, buying any time before the next bull run will provide close to 10 times returns, with the potential of 60-time returns at the upper end. So in our opinion, we would consider this a great investment opportunity. But let us know your views about the Kadena and if you think it's a good investment or not. Also, if you'd like to know more about other investing reviews of specific tokens and coins, watch one of the videos right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.